friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing how to store drumsticks for more than 2 weeks. For this, first take drumsticks, clean it and dry it. Now cut the drumsticks. You can see how I am cutting into pieces and separate them. You can see how I am cutting the drumstick and separating them. Now cut all the drumsticks like this. Now take a plastic container and store them in it. If you keep the whole drumstick like this in the refrigerator, the flesh inside drumstick will soon be dried. So cut the drumstick and store in the plastic container. Like this you can store the drumsticks for more than 2 weeks. And it also saves time. This is the best way to store drumsticks. Do try it and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.